Hello everybody, welcome back. In this video we are going to add our Google Analytics account, and Google Analytics accounts can be generated for adding new sites for watching and analyzing the traffic on that website. So the main business is for AdSense is coming from the traffic. So analyzing the traffic is very important aspect for any website. So we are going to add one new property. So let's go to this one, and we will add a new property here. Is it platform home? Yeah, here maybe if we find, actually the layout of this analytics is also changed, so I'm feeling the problem for adding a new property. All accounts, yeah, these are here, and we can add one account recently here, but in this case we can't. So let's do one thing. We can go to insert, and then in properties and apps we have no property. Okay, no problem. We will recheck that. How? Go to analytics again, and this is the main layout. Yeah, so one property is opened here, Komi TV, and if we go to admin, yeah, now we can add new account. So create a new account, and here we can name the account, and Guru State. Website name is also Guru State, and the website URL is https and gurustate.com. Industry category, and we can add the industry, so it will be online communities. We can add here. The reporting time zone, we will add Pakistan because we are in Pakistan, and after that we will get tracking ID. There is an accept this agreement. We will read the agreement. We'll click on acceptance of this agreement, and then I accept. So we will get a tracking ID now for our website Guru State, and you can see the tracking ID here, and you can place this ID by in Joomla directly, or if you are using HTML websites built by yourself, you can add this script in head tag. So in Joomla I think in this template we have one option for adding Google Analytics, so we will go to that option. Let's see. In template options there will be some advanced tools, developer tools. Yeah, here is, we can add code injection, Google Analytics or webmaster tools, etc. So here we will add our code. So copy this code, and we can place this code here, and after that we can save and close. If your template don't have this code here, you can just go to template header section and exploring the code here, and you can just go to your template, or you can go to index.php, and here you can add your code in header tag. Defaultly this index page don't have header tags, so you can create the HTML and then header tags, and then you can place the code if you don't have that option, which I have. Otherwise in Joomla there are some modules and plugins for Google Analytics, so you can add that also for tracking. So we have successfully added the Google Analytics code. So if now we visit our analysis here by clicking the home, and then we can go to real time also, or here in active users right now is displaying, and one user should be displayed here. Maybe in the beginning it will take some time for displaying the user. Let's see in real time. So let's do some wait here, because maybe it's taking time in the beginning. But if it will not display the user, then we will find that there is some mistake. So maybe we have to paste the code here on the main home page template also, because for home page that template is used, and for the other pages another template is used. So in this template we will also go to advanced features, developer tools, add our code, and save and close. So now we will recheck. Yeah, now you can see we have one user from Ahmedabad, because I'm in Ahmedabad. So that's fine. Our Google Analytics is working fine now, and it is displaying the data. So now we are on home page, so it's showing the home page here. It will show the pages with users also. Okay, so daily when we will finish the our day, we will get a report in audience section and overview, and here we will find daily report here, because we have started our analytics today, so we don't have any report here, but we will find our reports here, okay, for weekly, daily, or monthly, or hourly. So now our users are 0, and we will find our first report probably tomorrow for Google Analytics. So now I will come to last section of our this SEO thing, and that is for external links. And for external links, external links are actually very important. If you visit alexa.rating, Alexa rank, then you will find that let's check our site info, and we will find our rating or ranking in all over the world. So we have to increase our ranking by time. So HTTPS, it's not important to write HTTPS here, just gurustate.com and enter, and we will find our global rank here, and you can see we have no global rank. Okay, we have 0 global rank, so we are in no numbers. There are millions of websites in the world, and we lies at neither place. Okay, so for this Alexa ranking and the other things, we also need traffic, and traffic will come with external links. Most of our traffic, external links are very important. So how we will create the external links? So for that I have one example that for example, we have some yellow pages. We can add our business in these yellow pages, okay, our directories. We can also go to different blogs, and we can place our links to that comment sections of that blogs. That's the another type of marketing our website and generating the external links. And the another thing is creating the classified ads to free classified websites. Okay, so you can do that also. So here you can see this is a one website. Just we are going to create one listing, and I'm not doing these things, I'm just telling you that you have to do these things. Okay, you have to add business to different directories, different classified websites, and it will increase your external links, and in the case definitely you will get users to your websites, increase in traffic, increase in your business, so and Google ranking as well. So now I am going to add one ad on olx.com.pk, which is a popular website. So let's make one ad so that you find a way that how we will post a ad on different websites. So let's make an ad, submit ad title. Now what we will write in title. Always remember that your title should be focused on these title words, or focused words you want to focus and rank in your Google search engine. So I will suggest you to start with the first word, free classifieds, for example, and just make an ad with free classifieds and choose the category. Services and other services, for example, and here you will write your about text. Okay, you can add more text also later on, but I am adding this text for time being. And you can add name of your own name or your website name. I'm adding my own name. You can add your number here. So I'll write here the number of Bilal, the owner of the website, and after that we can choose the province and city. No result found. So Ahmedabad, yeah. So now invalid phone number, why 74. Okay, submit. So now we have added one ad on OLX, and definitely if you will find, because I have added the Bilal's number here, so I will not receive code on my phone number, but I showed you one way to adding a free classified. So you have to add around 10 to 20 free classifieds daily. Okay, and for I am suggesting you that for 3-4 days just pick one word, and then for next 3-4 days pick another word, and then third one, and after 15-20 days you don't need to add any ads. You will automatically will come in analytics, and you will find enough users to increase your ranking day by day, okay, in Google search engines and other search engines. So this is a process of creating external links. Here in OLX we don't have a field of generating link, but in most of the sites you will find the external your website URL field there, so you can add your URL there. So that's it for our series, and if I find anything in my mind which I have missed throughout this course, I will come back with some new video, and I will explain in that video that thing. And also after 5-10 days, today is 23rd of September, and I will expect that on 1st October we will have enough users. That users can be 200 plus. If you have 200 plus daily users, you can just apply for Google AdSense, and I will show you the way and make a video for you people for creating a Google AdSense account and verifying the account, and then earning money from Google AdSense. So that's it for this video. Thank you very much. See you in next video.